Want to be excellent at speaking and writing? This series will help you master every form of a word. Today, we'll explore the word play in all its forms, tenses, and more. Let's get started. A noun is a person, place, or thing. As a noun, play can mean a performance or a period of fun. For example, we went to see a play at the theater, where play refers to a performance. Or, the children enjoying playtime in the park, where playtime means a period of fun. Now let's look at play as a verb. A verb is an action. Play as a verb means to take part in an activity or a game. Let's see how it changes across tenses. In the present tense, we say, he plays football every weekend, or I play football every weekend, where play means taking part in the sport. In the past tense, we say, yesterday, I played football with my friends, where played shows the action happened in the past. In the future tense, we say, tomorrow, I will play football at the park, where will play shows the action will happen in the future. Next, let's look at play as an adjective. An adjective describes or gives more information about a noun. Play as an adjective means related to fun or games. For example, the play area is big and colorful, where play area means an area for games and fun. Another example is he has a playful personality, where playful describes someone who is full of fun. Finally, playfully is the adverb form. An adverb tells us how something is done. Playfully means in a fun or cheerful way. For example, the puppy playfully jumped around, where playfully describes how the puppy was jumping in a fun, joyful manner. Besides these forms, play also appears in common expressions. For example, in play, meaning something is in action or happening, and play it by ear, which means to improvise or make decisions as you go. Like and subscribe for more episodes where we'll help you master new words. And don't forget to share your sentence using play in the comments below.